When you build a new JavaScript chart and you pick the sample chart from the library of available charts, the sample chart is shown with sample data. But of course, in real life, you're going to want to basically replace the sample data with real data, and the real data needs to come from a JavaScript function because all of the chart is produced using JavaScript. So let's now go and define a JavaScript function that's going to return the data for this chart, and then we'll replace these sample data values here with the result of a JavaScript function. So let's go there and copy this data over there, and we can get to the JavaScript function editor as a shortcut by just clicking this button over here. So rather than exit the builder and go to JavaScript functions, we'll just basically edit our JavaScript functions locally here, and we're going to make a JavaScript function that returns an object with 3 series in it. So we'll go here and say function get data, and then we'll go here and we'll define 3 series, and then we'll say var obj equals, and then we'll go and say s1 comma s2 and s3 colon s3. So and then we'll say return obj. So what we've done over here is define a JavaScript function that returns an object. This object has 3 properties, s1, s2, and s3, and each one of those properties is equal to an array of values. So what we're going to do now is go and replace this value here, s1, with getData.s1 and etc. So we'll go here and we'll change this now to getData.s1, and then we're going to go and replace this array over here with s2, and then this array over here with .s3. Now you can see here that what happens is these 3 arrays now get combined using this special helper function here into an array that looks like this. It's basically, so the actual chart itself takes an array of arrays, and each array in the array has 3 items in it for because this chart is displaying data from 3 separate data series. So if we go ahead now and we preview our chart, we can see there's the data now coming from our JavaScript function. And if we go now, for example, and edit our JavaScript function and make this first value say 30, and then click OK, and then preview our chart again, we can see now that the chart value has changed. So we'll go ahead now and click OK, and then click OK. And now basically the value in the chart is coming not from a static built-in hard-coded value, but is now coming from the value returned by this JavaScript function. So what we've shown over here is how the data in a JavaScript chart can be dynamically based on a JavaScript function result rather than hard-coded when the chart is defined. Thanks very much for watching.